the tenant is complaining about the AC not cooling, like, properly. She said that last year they didn't have any issues. Right now it's not even that hot outside. It's probably getting into the 70s, 75 probably. And but she says that it's not cooling. So I guess air is cold, and I can hear the compressor making, strange noises. So I don't know. I think it's gonna be on refrigerant. I went inside the house and checked the filter. The filter looks brand new. Seems like they just replaced it. Like, let's see. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this, the pressures, but yeah, so this thing's basically empty. It doesn't have any refrigerant. I'm gonna go get my leak detector, some nitrogen and all the stuff. Because I'm gonna do a leak search. This is a 14A system, so I added a little bit of 14A because I'm gonna be checking for leaks, and then right now I'm just adding some nitrogen. Alright, so I'm going to be using this Philpies DR82. Let's see if we can find any leaks. So I can definitely see some oil right here, and then there's a stain on the other side of the coil. Let me show you. see right here the dark. You can see the dark spot right here in the corner. So I think it's definitely leaking from here. I already checked the whole thing, and that's the only spot that my leak detector went off. So I'm gonna try to see if I can pinpoint the leak, and I'm gonna check the rest of the system, condenser, coil, and everything. Make sure there's no other leaks. If I find any other leaks, you're gonna see it on the video. Then if not, of course, I'm not gonna put it there, because it's just gonna be a waste of time, you know. So this unit's from 2018, so most likely we're gonna be replacing the coil if it's under warranty. So I guess we'll see. I can definitely hear the leak now. But I don't see it. I'm sure we're gonna be able to hear it. I'm sure you can hear that. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear it. Well, I guess we're gonna be replacing the coil, and I guess that's it. Hopefully I can get to record the replacement of the coil and everything. I did check the condenser, didn't find any other leaks. So that's it for this call. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.